It is December 6th, 2013. I've been starting to collect parts to swap the engine in. I've ordered the turbocharger and I've gotten it on day after Black Friday. It is a Turbonetics Hurricane Series, codenamed Christina. I can get it out with one hand. Here it is. Weighs about 20 pounds. It is heavy for its size, though. It has a 72 millimeter compressor wheel. It is a double scroll. In there. It has a ported 60s trim compressor housing to take the 72 millimeter wheel, and then it is a 4-inch V-band. Uses a 68 millimeter turbine wheel and a T3 housing. It has ball bearing and it is oil cooled only. This ran me about $1,200 with shipping. And then just the other day I got my wastegate in. Comes with 3 other springs. Comes with a 5, an 8, and a 15. The 11-pound spring is pre-installed from factory with all the hardware you need, block-off ports, nipples, V-band clamp, and that is the wastegate. Just for size comparison, that is my hand. This is by far the biggest wastegate I've ever seen and held in my life. I've seen smaller wastegates. This is a RG45 from Turbonetics. 2.5-inch V-band clamps, inlet, and then the outlets here. I have ordered a racing transmission for the car, so that should be done in 6 weeks. And then all I have left to do is fabricate the exhaust, manifold, and downpipe, fuel components, and tuning software. Other than that, the car is pretty much ready to be put together. I just thought I'd give you an update of what's going on since it's been a couple weeks, and that's pretty much what I've done so far. Well, until next time.